All right, what we have here is a 25-year-old Scotts 1642, the official model S1642. And here's an issue that I'm thinking somebody has to tell me something easy that I'm overlooking. So at the end of last season, this is the problem that we're having, that when we're mowing, the blades become disengaged really easy. The initial thought when I posted this earlier last season is that the deck belt needed to be replaced, that it wasn't tight enough. So we've done our seasonal tune-up. I've got the deck belt replaced, and I know somebody's going to say, well, it's probably either too loose or too tight. So I do want to show you down underneath, get my favorite light here so you guys can see, that we have, let's see if I can get you guys. So there is our deck belt tensioner, and according to, well, I guess I have to make sure. So my deck is lowered, we are engaged. All right. So as you get under here, the distance between this bracket here and these washers needs to be, I think, between 0.78 and 0.9 inches, which I've measured several times, which is where we are. I also, while I was down here, replaced a tensioner spring. You guys can see that back in here, right there, that spring back here we replaced, and unfortunately nothing has kind of changed. So if I can reach up, so this is without the blades being engaged, and then this is when you engage. So I will post a video of what it's doing as we are mowing. It's just kind of a pain in the butt when you're mowing. It becomes disengaged every 15-20 seconds, and I just don't know what else to do. It feels like, I mean, just the slightest touch, but it feels like there should be some kind of a catch to where it kind of sits in when it becomes engaged, but there's really no, but everything else, it engages fine to start, engages right away. Just don't know what I am overlooking. So if you've got a suggestion or a tip for me, that would be great. Leave it in the comments below.